Tolo drunk again. I just I people them walling go over figure a run bar, you know. I said then said you so. Who said you so? Not a clot at the road.
Lord Jesus. I watch the people them picnic in the road. Eh? There's somebody go all and picnic there. You supposed to carry the picnic. Lord God.
Watch a carry.
How about picnic that?
Wait for Jeezy.
Fear dog. Fear dog, fear fuck dog. Watch it. Look how funny one there. Look how funny one there.
Watch it. Watch dog.
Holy for dog pussy for your fuck.
Watch it. Watch.
Look how funny one there over there, so. Man, you can't lick you. Look how funny one there over there, so. This one they don't want. Come pick them, which one they don't want.
I want it too.
Which one?
I want it.
The one they want fuck?
Yeah, I want it.
Yeah. Go and feed no? Go and fuck him no? Go and fuck him no? Go and fuck him no? The one they want fuck?
Yeah, I want it.
So go on, no? So go on, no?
I want it.
I come at 10 girls, just send them. Stop.
Go on.
We
How we are go?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come here. Oh no, you come here and some blood. Bye.
Thank you. You fucking little puppy.
Me a puppy and you are what?
Big dog.
Go on to your blood clot long foot girl. Look aside. And you can't breathe and you're not doing much here.
Why is that? Can't breathe it?
Breathe your blood clot. You take a bolo man. I mean, you know my friend. You think you don't mean him no good? Breathe that blood clot to your David. She left you go to America.
And it's still not breathing.
And you can't breathe that blood clot, old girl.
Nothing making them balls.
Just a while ago you pass, I go your ways, right? And me a moko there a reason.
Yeah.
Right? Me a moko alone there. And you know, I go turn around and look at moko and say, what's up, you mother? Wait, no, in
When we drink come?
no, when it moko the trouble you saw a while ago?
No, but remember when?
In trouble you? When in trouble you?
Last week Wednesday. So my pastor me say I stop your mother. You know? Yeah, mother yet my breast. Breast? Yeah, me
No man, not pop up, no man, right this year, man. We are say if I want junction, you buy a brand new jacket and give me anytime. Me a ride my bike. Because you know I go. And no boy can ride around my back part. Because we never think, man. You have to buy a ride and not buy a junction.
No man, not pop up.
Pop up a man, you not pop up no boy ride, man. You buy a junction and
Blood clot.
I'm not going to lock up in my youth. You can't talk about that, you boss like that. Behave yourself, man. Them man, they call soldier and police going to lock you up. And you know too. Come go over, man. Come go over. Tighten your belt and come go over, man. Before you make your boss come catch you up. Okay. Jamie, me know when you go to prison, them man will lock up you.
Lock up!
You rest like a cartel. You rest like a cartel come from jail.
A Sherika store, don't have so. Yeah.
Hey people, love child, look on them nice, it's an evening dress. That's a nice, you know, man. Watch out. Look and buy out the things them, you know, man.
One Sherryberry.
Yeah, man, Sherryberry.
From West Street.
From West Street.
Right there, so.
Yeah, you understand, because you know, sir, we.
Yeah.
A downtown people.
Yeah.
13 German Street, Victoria, Jamaica.
Right there, so.
I also with it.
Right, Joe.
Love child. I'm gonna love you, baby. I did right.
Right, Joe.
All night long. Hey, man, people, it's a nice secret, you know, man. Look on the secret there. Hey, me come buy something from the girl.
Jerry Wagwan.
Yeah.
You know,
One. I where you get that suit from? Bumbo Clan.
Dubai.
No.
All haters and bad man. Bye-bye.
Me have to show you suit before me show your face. Look for me chain. Pussy Clan. None of them tests. Only Mike can talk to them now.
One body. And any other body different from my body, that's a dead body.
Fucking R.I.P. Graveyard body.
What's wrong with them?
C stage, VIP. VIP and over.
Well, you know the body is here, and for the body is here, everything is here.
Yeah.
The body is here, that means it's the girl them body this. The girl them body this. Do you understand me, guys?
I understand.
This the girl them body this. Look at it.
Clean up. Lord Jesus.
Listen, you see, as long as your wood clean and it smell nice, I'll put all of it in my throat. I don't have no problem. All while I depend live too. You just come close, Chris String, come close. See, okay, yeah. Come up close, same way, so, yeah. And the say, guys.
Yeah, but they won't see face X.
Then go. So who you got your face?
So okay, market bag come a KFC fee. You man then know say a KFC income. See eh? Okay, shopping bag come a KFC. Boy, you got a supermarket with KFC cup. You think the people might eat that? Eh? You think the people might eat that? You come a KFC with shopping bag. But a supermarket, you go. Watch it, big KFC, you print out through your bag there, sir. Watch there. See that? Big KFC. See that? KFC come with leg on my phone. KFC come with shopping bag. But supermarket in go. With the big KFC cup them. See KFC all a print out on the bag there. As soon as you can see at night I come. See that? KFC. Wait, more when I ring them. How much you sell when I ring them for?
I sell something like this for 50 million.
50 million?
Something looking like this.
Oh, something look like that?
Yeah.
So how much you sell that for? What you put on your finger?
For this?
Yeah.
It's deer on it, man.
What? So that deer on it, you want to sell for 50 million? So you're not selling none of your gold one them?
No.
Oh, they're not for sale. So when me get 50 million to buy one ring? You load? You load up?
Soap over this if you order soap.
Yeah, man. You ring and load up?
We can't take environments, man.
But a celebrity, the Godfather, with a celebrity.
TikTok boss, man, tap in car. TikTok boss. It's a one love man. I'm a gone across the road.
Actually, a celebrity, man, Grandfather. Actually, a celebrity.
You see, me come a long time yesterday, you know.
Yeah.
Me have to tap, and then chat big woman. One woman you hug me up, putting jaw on me, and I squeeze me up. I tell you.
Actually, a celebrity, man, Grandfather. Sorry, go on. I know if you have a face, I just start.
Right, I know.
Yeah.
Come make me a hold this man upon it. And me just lively amongst them because all of them want to me look bright up and what.
Yeah.
That's why I can't clap myself.
Me a
When
cherish
them
man.
talk and me that's why I say I want to big coat to there with no fucking nice.
Yeah, for real, man.
You want buy dragon?
Yeah, man, I buy.